Sensors and actuators are the foundation of any building management system, BMS. Sensors collect real-time data, while actuators physically respond to controller commands to maintain optimal building conditions. In this chapter, we explore their types, applications, wiring, and selection criteria. A sensor is a device that detects and converts a physical parameter, such as temperature, humidity, or pressure, into an electrical signal readable by a controller. There are various types of sensors used in BMS, each with specific applications. These include temperature sensors for AHUs and chillers, humidity sensors for air handling units, pressure sensors for ducts and water lines, COR sensors for air quality, occupancy sensors for lighting and HVAC zoning, light sensors for daylight harvesting, flow sensors for water and airflow, and smoke or leak detectors for safety systems. Sensors use different signal types to communicate with controllers. These include analog 010V, analog 420mA, digital dry contact, and resistive NTC p-tone 100 signals. Each type is suited for specific sensor applications. An actuator is a device that receives an electrical signal from the controller and converts it into mechanical movement, typically to open, close, or modulate a valve or damper. Actuators in BMS include valve actuators for fluid flow, damper actuators for airflow, relay actuators for switching electrical loads, and motorized actuators for rotary or linear motion. Each type serves specific building automation needs. Actuators can operate in different control modes: on, off, digital signal, floating, 3-point for increase, decrease, and modulating, analog 010V or 420 melos for gradual adjustment. The choice depends on the application requirements. Wiring sensors and actuators correctly is crucial for reliable BMS operation. For example, a temperature sensor connects to the controller's analog input, while a valve actuator is controlled by an analog output signal. Proper mounting ensures accurate readings and reliable operation. Place temperature sensors away from direct sunlight and heat sources, use averaging sensors for large ducts, mount pressure sensors with proper taps, match valve actuators to valve size and torque, and use mechanical stops for motorized actuators. When selecting sensors and actuators, consider accuracy, response time, environmental rating, compatibility with control signals, and maintenance requirements. For example, temperature sensors should have Zing4, Fu4, 0.5 Do4, C accuracy, and actuators should match the required stroke or torque. Sensors are connected to analog or digital inputs on the DDC controller, while actuators connect to analog or digital outputs. Configuration and calibration are performed via BMS software, and devices are often linked to alarms, trends, and schedules. For troubleshooting, use a multimeter to test sensor signals, verify actuator power and control signals, calibrate sensors periodically, and replace damaged wiring or connectors to ensure system reliability. Sensors and actuators are the sensory and muscular system of a BMS. Choosing the right type, installing them correctly, and ensuring proper signal compatibility are essential for accurate and reliable building automation.